Okay. Kalyani Shankar is also on the show with me. Kalyani Shankar, what is your assessment of the results? Thumping majority with which the NDA is now leading, and especially the very dismal performance of the RJD. Tejashwi, who was spearheaded as the chief ministerial face of the Mahagathbandhan alliance. He has been performing consistently well in the past assembly elections. What went wrong?
Well, the basic thing is nobody expected BJP to get this thumping majority. I mean, they were saying that the NDA would win, but nobody, not even BJP people, expected this kind of results. BJP had many advantages. First is ruling at the center, ruling in the state, and then together they are talking of the double engine. Then Nitish Kumar has been able to get the support of the women the past 20 years, one after the other. The last thing was about, depositing 10,000 rupees in their account, lakhs of women. So this definitely has gone into his favor. And the third thing is that RSS worked fully for the election, and when RSS works, definitely the victory is sure. So that is
Okay.
another thing. Have the cadre also. BJP has a cadre. But as far as the RJD and the Congress, concerned, RJD has not thought of the good strategy to deal with the BJP. He should have thought of it much better. But then he's proved to be a good young leader. Now he's lost his stage. So we will have to see why he did not do it. Whether they had lack of funds, lack of workers, or lack of other things. So that is why RJD has got very little, but Congress is worse. That's
Yeah.
because Rahul Gandhi, uh, I mean, both the brothers, brother and sister, they have not bothered about developing the state, and they have not been coming to visiting the state also often. In Bihar, long time ago, Congress ruled, I think 1985. After that, they have not come to power at all. Uh, Whereas BJP is now going to set up its first government in Bihar. It's a great victory for the BJP, and I really compliment them for doing this. And despite all the allegations of EVM, uh, uh, EVM problem, and so many other things which they are talking
Yeah.
about.
Yeah,
So
yeah, yeah. Stay on with me, ma'am. I'm also being joined on the telecast by Shahid Siddiqui. He's a former Rajya Sabha member of Parliament. Shahid Siddiqui, your assessment of